tourism for attending the so many orientations about farm tourism that we have been conducting in the past years, no? Sa mga, lalo na yung mga tour operators and tour guides, and some of our potential farm operators. No? So, like for instance, the Northern Blossoms, nag-blossom din naman talaga. We also had Poly Farm, we had yung Lemon Farm, we had yung kay, ano yung sa La Trinidad, yung kay Organic Farm, Cosmic Farm, yung kay Manantina, yung Domingo Farm, no? So there are so many identified farms already here in the Cordillera, and I think they are thriving. They are thriving, no? So in other words, there is a market for farm tourism. But of course, it's not enough that you have a farm. As we have discussed today, you have to be very creative and competitive. And there are many things that you have to consider when you develop your farms. No? So, of course, yung facilities, yung number one, yung tours, yung sinasabi kanina, and other amenities of the farm, and how you can collaborate also with other tour offers, no, within your vicinity, no. So maganda yung sharing kanina that even if napakalayo ng farm mo, you have to really start from the point of origin of the tourist. So yung experience should start from there. Like halimbawa, kung mag-aeroplano sila until Isabela, then you can offer the food tourism in Isabela, and then towards Alfonso Lista, for instance, along the way, where can they stop for other experiences, no? Tapos magiging finale na lang yung farm tourism offers ninyo, no? So, a lot of things really can be done, especially here in the Cordillera Mountain, kasi ang location natin is very unique, no? So, again, siguro I want to, kasi medyo bitin din ako, I want na, before you go, meron yung mga takeaways talaga na at least more or less complete. But we are going to give them a copy, no? A copy, because ayaw kung lagi tayo grade 1. Alam mo, in the Philippines, sometimes we're always like starting from grade 1. Parang grade 1 tayo sa farm tourism last year, 10 years ago, grade 1 sa farm tourism. The next year, grade 1 ulit tayo sa farm tourism. Parang hindi na nag-advance, no? But we can learn a lot, lalo na ngayon sa presence ng technology, no? So, if you are really passionate about developing farm tourism, marami ng tools where you can be able to learn something and apply it in your own farm. At marami na rin benchmarks, no? So, ang pinaka-importante talaga dyan is to also see other farms para you will see, you can identify kung ano yung unique offer mo. So that can be your competitive edge, no? As mentioned kanina, we already have organized the Farm Tourism Organization, no? I think all of you have thriving farms. Lahat ng mga officers and some members, they have thriving farms. We had like benchmarking also in Laguna, because Laguna has a very advanced